Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this carnivorous bog. We're going to clean it out, add some fresh plants, fresh soil, and just let me take you through it. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the tank in its current state. As you can see when we zoom in closer, there are a lot of dead leaves, and I think that has to do with the soil, so it's really good. We're going to do this refresh. I really like the Hardscape, so I think we're going to keep it a lot like this. And yeah, let's proceed with the clean out and the build. To start off with the plants, I'm gonna start with Utricularia pubescens. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but it's a small carpet plant from Africa/South America. It will grow in soil that is poor of nutrients. It will create flowers that are like pale pinkish, and the leaves will be petal shaped around 0.5 centimeters. And the second species that we're going to use is the Drosera rotundifolia. It's a small rosette-forming Drosera, really easy to take care of, and also can be placed in the same soil as the Utricularia. The Drosera filiformis, it's a little bit different than the other Droseras. It has thread-leaved leaves, and they can grow around 15 centimeters. I haven't used this one before, kept in similar conditions as most Drosera species in mineral poor soil, and yeah, you can just spray it with distilled water, rather not on the leaves but just on the soil. And I think it has also winter dormancy for long time survival, so this one will break down later on. And last but not least, the Drosera callistos. It's a species of pygmy sundews from Western Australia. And fun fact, callistos means beautiful in Greek. I couldn't agree more because the flowers of this one are pretty amazing. I haven't managed it yet. I only saw it on the pictures, but it will be metallic orange and black in the center. The flowers will be around the same size as the plant itself, around 2 centimeters. I think you can keep it in the same environment as others. For me, it always grew that way. I only couldn't let it flower, so it's a little bit feeling if it will work or not. So let's try it out. So as you can see, the tank is now clean and a solid piece of hardscape is back in. We're gonna remove some branches and replace them for some new ones because there was some root rot in it. That's quite normal because juniper wood is quite soft, so it will just rot often when it gets in contact with water all the time. So let me just glue everything back together, and then we can fill it up with the soil and the new plants. As you can see, we're at the end of the video. The plants will need some time to fully adapt, but maybe we can do a video after some weeks. I want to thank you for watching, and if you haven't done it yet, please subscribe and like this video. It will help me a lot. And I hope to see you at the next video.